अफेयर्स क्विज। ये करंट अफेयर्स और जनरल नॉलेज के क्वेश्चंस हैं जो कि आपको हेल्प करेंगे अगर आप प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं कोई कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए या आप कोई प्रोफेशनल कोर्स कर रहे हैं, तब भी आपको इन सब चीज़ों की नॉलेज होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि जो हमारे एनवायरनमेंट में चेंज हो रहे हैं वो हमें पता होना चाहिए। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं क्विज को। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज what is the length of Atal Tunnel? Answer is 8.8 kilometer. And in which state is Atal Tunnel? It is in Himachal Pradesh. Then next question is what is the rank of India in ease of doing business 2020 by World Bank? And its answer is the rank is 63 out of 190 countries. Next question is this year, World Bank is not releasing ease of doing business due to data irregularities of which countries? Answer is China, Saudi Arabia, UAE and Azerbaijan. Next question is what is the reason of resignation of PM of Japan, Shinzo Abe? Answer is health reason. Next question is what is the name of neuroscience startup company of Elon Musk? Answer is Neuralink. Next, who is the new chief of SBI? Answer is Dinesh Kara. Next is which state is starting India's first international women's trade center? Answer is Kerala. Next, what is the name of American actor known for his role in Black Panther? He died recently. The answer is Chadwick Boseman. Next question is which insurance company has started recently insurance for dogs? The answer is Bajaj Allianz. Next is Mariappan got Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan Award. She is related to which sports? The answer is high jump. Next, Rajni Rampal got Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan Award and she is related to which sport? The answer is hockey. Then boat race, women race, tiger dance, colorful mass dance are related to which festivals? The answer is Onam. Which state is Onam related to? Answer is Kerala. What is Sachin Nag known for? पहले नीचे वाला क्वेश्चन आ रहा है, हु इज गवर्नर ऑफ RPMI? आंसर इज शक्तिकांत दास. And the answer of this question is what is Sachin Nag known for? Swimmer. He is swimmer and he won first gold medal in inaugural 1951 Asian Games in New Delhi. What is RORO? It is roll on, roll off railway trains. When was RORO trains introduced first in India? It was in 1999 by Konkan Railway. Then PM Modi said India can become global hub of which industry? Answer is toy industry. Modi ji in Man Ki Baat wants Indian to make computer games. Which group has bought Future Group having retail stores under name of Big Bazaar? Answer is Reliance Retail Ventures Limited. BCCI announced as official partner of IPL. It is Unacademy. Dhyan Chand was related to which sports? Answer is hockey. When is the National Sports Day celebrated? Answer is 29th August. How many sports persons got Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan Award 2020? Answer is 5. Then who is Union Sports Minister? Answer is Kiran Rijiju. Then Which company unveiled a face mask with inbuilt battery power air purifier to supply filtered air indoor and outdoor? The answer is LG. World Coconut Day will be celebrated on, answer is 2nd September. Thank you so much for watching this weekly quiz on current affairs. This was for this week, and the quiz on next week will be released on 6th September. I hope you must have been benefited by this video quiz. Kindly subscribe to my channel, YouTube channel Learn from Pankaj Agrawal, so that you get the contents related to professional development and quiz like this. Thank you so much.